lot of times I just see people like they buy the facility, they don't get a lot of stuff done, and then they're just scrambling for the first couple of months. And we've just learned over the last couple of years that that's just way too stressful for you. I wanted to show you that you could go to the missionselfstorage.com website, right? And then you can see these are the 4 facilities that we own under this brand. Okay. And so you can come and check us out. If you want to check us out, see what our website looks like, this kind of thing. It's all here. And you can see that our like website guy already has the website done. Everything is done for this page, right? We're just adding a page to the website. And so we don't go through Store Edge or, we don't use them. We have our own I have my own internal marketing team that does all of our websites and stuff. And so this is how, this is already done. So on day one, we are ready to manage this facility. And a lot of times I just see people like they buy the facility, they don't get a lot of stuff done, and then they're just scrambling for the first couple of months. And we've just learned over the last couple of years that that's just way too stressful. You don't want to do that. As much as you can possibly get beforehand done, before closing, you want to have that done. So this was all created beforehand. And then once the closing happened, we could just add the page, flip the switch. And you could see the sizes, right? And you could see all the different sizes. You could see the testimonials, etc. And then the rent now page just goes directly to the Store Edge page is what happens. All right. And then they can just rent directly from there. And that's how it works. Like you can actually own your own website, create your own website, and then just link the Store Edge back office software to your page. And that's kind of what we do. All right, so now what I wanted to do, so now I wanted to get into some pictures. Let's get into some pictures of Carrollton, and I could show you kind of what it looks like. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So this is what the facility looks like overhead. Okay, so it's got it's got a lot of units. These are all units here. These are all units here. This is the commercial space that's included. Okay, so this commercial space right here is it has 2,000 square foot units. That's that big building that you saw in Store Edge. This is it right here. And the owner, he rents these spaces out for $500 a month. And they've been there for years and years and years, these people. This building does not have any AC. It does have electric, but it doesn't have overhead lighting. It's just like when you walk into the room, it's just like a concrete block walls and a concrete floor. And then that's it. There's no AC, there's no heat, and there's no lighting. Okay, so it's like this empty kind of shell of a space. And there's 5 of these, and there's a bathroom. There's a bathroom in each one of those spaces. Okay. And like, some of them, like they just put lamps and stuff up or whatever they do. And then some of them, they actually put lighting up ahead, maybe updated a little bit. They're like kind of like industrial, industrial types of companies that are renting these out, and they're paying like 500, maybe $600 a month, and that's it. So this is a 10,000 square foot building that's making, maybe $2,500 a month. And that's it. I mean, it's like crazy what he's getting for this. I mean, he said like they've been there for years and I'm just not going to raise the rent. I don't feel like putting air conditioning in. I'll put lighting in. I don't want to do anything. So I just leave them at like $500 or $600 a month and that's it. Okay. Put your thoughts in about that into the chat. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Okay. So my idea, I mean, essentially right now, I mean, we're just going to see, like, we're going to talk to the people because and also another thing is he treats them as a unit. They're on month-to-month contracts. So they're just paying on a monthly basis. Okay. So, so my idea is to make this into climate control. This is my idea. Like this building, I think would be the perfect climate controlled structure. I mean, obviously there's walls in between, and stuff, but like, why can't we make this into climate control? So this is one thing that we're going to be looking at. But the thing is this money right here, this building, I didn't even put it into the numbers because I really honestly didn't know what we were going to do with this. So I just really ran the numbers on what the units were gonna be making. That's it. Like, I just looked at the units. What are we gonna be making? That's it. Okay. And so that's kind of how I looked at this. Like, I think this is just like a work in progress. We're gonna have to see what we're gonna do with this. I've talked to my husband and we're just trying to figure it out right now. Okay.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.